Okay, let's go with home. Home is another essential thing that you should understand in Microsoft Word, because in the home, you have almost any tool you wanted available and really accessible, because this is all about Microsoft Word. In the 90% of Microsoft Word is gonna be done by home. Believe it or not, this is the truth. Okay, I have experience using Microsoft Word from 2003 until now, and to the latest version. It's the same as that. Okay, this is keeping updated all the time, and we never have something new except these things. Okay, these are the essential. These are that Microsoft really is in this world. So let's learn by group each one of them and to really understand them. Into the group number one, we have Clipboard. Clipboard's job is to cut, copy, and paste. Only three. This is the only three job they have. For example, let's cut and copy video. So I'm gonna say a cut, and then really paste it in here. So I'm gonna just paste video to make. So that's really the job of it. Okay, to really do that anytime. So anytime if you really want to undo something or redo something, it's also possible. So you go to a quick access toolbar and you undo something. Also, you can redo that from here. I like to use that as a shortcut because it's super fast. So its shortcut is Control with Z and Control with Y. So that's the shortcut. You should really do that all the time with shortcut, because shortcut can really save you a lot of time and it can be really dramatically important to you and to anyone. So one thing that you should understand with the cut, copy, paste is they also have shortcuts. So their shortcut, it is Control V, and its shortcut is Control X and Control C. So that's the main three job of cut, copy, paste. So they are doing with text, media, anything that is available in Microsoft Word. We have one thing to cover is Format Painter. Format Painter copies the really everything about the format to another. For example, let's go with the title and Format Painter to save. So you can see it's everything right now in here is a heading 2. So it really copied the what it copied the formatting. Okay. And the magic key and the magic part starts whenever you double click. If you double click on that, you can apply the formatting of it anywhere you want it. So you can see I really copied their formatting to 3, and now this is the third part, and now this is the fourth part. And that's the magic. I'm gonna undo that because it's not gonna be the right way. And let's do that also. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed with the clipboard. That's the clipboard. Cut, copy, format, painter, and paste. But the interesting journey begins right over here when you go and you see something weird, like keep source formatting, merge formatting, picture, and copy text only. What it means when you copy something and you want to paste somewhere else, and you come in here. If you go in here, copy source formatting, so it copies the same thing and it keep the source formatting. That's how it says. And if you go to merge formatting, so it merges the format from the previous to the current new one. So and then it creates a brand new format. And then it says picture, so it only copy as a picture. It means it's not editable in the future. Keep text only. We will only have text only, not something else. Only text. An even more interesting part begins whenever you go to paste special. Okay, paste special is really interesting. So this is the normal paste. And paste link is the interesting part. Let me do that a quick test. I'm gonna go open a new word. I copy this text. I copy this text and I save it. So I'm gonna copy this text and I'm gonna put it as a heading 2. Okay, I copy this text and I want to go to the version and I want to paste it. So I can go in here and I can go to paste special and paste link. And I select the Microsoft Word and I paste it. I copy this text. Now, this is coming from the other part, from the other document of Microsoft Word, but it's not editable right away. So, and the magic part starts when you edit this. For example, I copy, you make it bold. So the changes is made in here as well. I think the change is made. So let's see what we can do. So let's make this even bigger. Oops, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay. So sometimes it's really it does link the subject to what it wanted. And sometimes it really links whatever you copy in here and it'll copy in here. But sometimes it don't. Okay, for me it doesn't sometimes work. For me it sometimes really work. So let me do that another part if we could really make that. And I'm gonna go with the font, changing the font, and I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna go paste special, paste link. Let's go with the yeah, with this one. Insert in contents of clipboard as a text with fonts and table formatting. Let's go with this and hit this one. So I copied right now. And if I come in here and I make it some other font, does it change? It blinks, but it doesn't change. That's fine. Sometimes it even changes. It links from that document to another document. I don't know why it didn't happen. If you know that, so please let me know. Okay, so that's the clipboard lessons that we learned together. And another story, another interesting part is really set default paste. When you come in here, you can really go to this part, and here, and you can manage the whole section you wanted. You can go in here, and you can see the whole settings that is available for us in this part. Let's click in here. For example, whenever you say paste within the same document, it says keep source formatting. Okay, paste between documents. You can manage the settings you wanted in your own favor to here. Before going to the styles and editing, I want to talk about the little points that you have in here. Like, okay, you can see right over here. And you can see right also in here. Okay, what are they? Okay, they are more options to manage the necessity thing in Microsoft Word. Let's go with the first one with the clipboard. So you can click in here and then it says clipboard. Clipboard, now whenever you're clicking here, it shows the memory of what you copy, cut something. For example, I copy you, and then you can see you comes in here. If I copy video comes in here. So later on, I can clear it. I can paste all of that somewhere. So it depends on me, really. Another way to bring your computer clipboard is hold Win key or Start key with V. And then you have it in here, like video, as you can see right over here. And from here, you can delete it, you can pin it, you can clear it. That's really the magic of the little tiny things that you have in here, and there's nothing else.